I know I can't hide anymore. I know what's outside of the door. They say you're safe in the eye of the storm. Still breathing, but I don't feel alive anymore. Is death the passive absence of life or something else? The active inverse of purpose working within ourselves. Is it like hitting a wall or is there another side? What if you happen to pass and come back across the line? Cause in the deadest eyes lies a depth I recognize. When the lights are on but it's only the devil left inside. Growth and decay forever parallel, and yet just by separate destinations somewhere they'll intersect. This road ain't made for coming back, we're driving up a one way. Post-apocalyptic path I had to take the long way. At least we took the scenic route, see these people geeking out. Now that shit has hit the fan, no fear to let the demons out. Cards are dealt, check your hand, deck is rigged, no second chance. Stack the odds, place your bets, go all in and bank on death. Real estate is booming, got no room in hell. So the dead will walk the earth, wanna join, might as well. When all the heavens fell, I guess I felt like I could drop the act, and ever since I've been myself. The world is over, but I've known it from the start. Though I don't believe in God, I'ma know what on His Lord. Through the dark, I feel alive when I walk among the dead. Embrace the night, so I never feel regret. Oh Lord, just a shell of me that's left. No more, I'm nothing like the rest. I've been searching and met so many survivors, but not a one of them was as hungry as I was. Never thought myself a fighter till I was humbled and lifeless. And then I found my people seeking the spark to ignite us. Watch as we go off together, fuck the talk, the walk is better. Gotta keep my flock together, all succeed or fall together. I've seen much rougher weather, now we will ruffle feathers. Unstoppable, I'd be shocked if the wrath of God could get us. A part of me wants to be on this road alone, but if an apocalypse has taught me anything at all, I cannot go on my own, rock for the trauma in my bones. I don't wanna settle down long as I'm with the squad, I'm home. Cause we're nothing like the rest, and I guess the difference is we're the ones willing to set aside our differences. All the dead can witness this. I mean, what's a better friend than the one who'll let you rest but won't let you get up again? The end's the end, and learning that was tough. Cause once the demons come, they're gonna have your lunch. A feast of flesh and bone, goddamn, we've had enough. But just when you think it's done, they'll be coming back for blood. I feel alive when I walk among the dead. Embrace the night, so I never feel regret. Oh Lord,